This is crazy. I taught Goose AI Agent to find coupons for Great Clips Hair Salon. I created a recipe, Great Clips Coupon Finder. When I use it, first, it asked me about my area. I entered Find Me coupon for any participating US area or Colorado. Then it scraped a coupon site. From the coupon site, it browsed the first link found from Great Clips, and it scraped the text from the site and it found the coupon. And at the end, it closed the browser. Let me show you how I created this recipe. Before doing that, let's understand how this whole process works. This is a coupon site where you can find $5 coupon for Great Clips. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Great Clips. I'm just showing it as an example. So I will ask Goose to go each of these links and first check if the location matches with the location user entered. If it doesn't match, then it will go to another link and continue until it went through all links. And if it finds a location, then it will send it to user along with the expiration date. So if I open first link, you will notice first link actually mentions that it is for any US area. That means whatever location you will enter, it will able to find it. But let's say for some reason it could not find the coupon or you already redeemed it, then what it will do, it will go to the next location and it will grab the next coupon. And let me show you one more where you will see that sometimes the coupon offer ends. In this case, it will keep growing and to see if any of those offer link has any coupon. So let's go back to Goose and start creating a new recipe. So if you go to a recipe link, click create recipe, and they will give you a template. I'll just remove it and I will change it to Great Clips Coupon Finder, let's say. And then in the description, you will mention what it will do. And you will tell that you are an expert coupon finder for Great Clips Hair Salon. Help me find a coupon by doing following steps. So number one, it should ask user for a location and then scrape this page link. So there are two different types of actions that Goose can take. One is scrape, another is browse. When you say scrape, it will use computer control extension and it is much faster. It will not open any browser. But when there is certain actions you want to make in a website like clicking or filling a form, then use browse command. So first it will scrape. Once it is scraped, then I'll say scrape each of the link from this page which matches. Like you will notice all of the URL has this part common. So I'll say that matches this part with a star mark indicating it could be different, anything after this slash. And number 4 will be if the location matches, browse the link. Notice I'm not saying here scrape the link here I'm mentioning specifically browse. In this case, it will use playwright extension. Then number 5 will be click print now button to reveal the coupon, and then copy coupon code and expire date from the page. And once it is done, close the browser and give the coupon to the user and end the chat. Otherwise, go back to step 3, which means it will keep going each of the links. Step 3, and complete all steps until you don't have any links remaining. And I'll mention one more thing. Do not look in any other pages if you find a location or a coupon. Return just one coupon. And initial prompt, we can ask whatever user will respond to Goose. Find me coupon code for any US area, and then user will enter the location. So I'll say this one is about coupon, and recipe name could be Great Clips Coupon Finder. Let's create. So it is asking whether or not if I trust this recipe, and let's execute. So here you can see it already pre-filled this text, find me coupon code for any US area, or I can say, let's say Colorado. And if I send it, so it's asking me, could you please provide a specific city or zip code Colorado? I'll say any location. And I'm using Open Router to get a free model. You can click here and change to any model you prefer. So it looks like it's scraping the first link, and if you hover, you can see this is computer control extension. You have to enable it first. And I already browsed it before, so it's copying the page content from cache. And now you see, instead of scraping, second, it is browsing Great Clips page. And it opened the first link, and it was able to get the coupon. It clicked the print now button, and it grabbed the coupon, and it closed the browser by itself, and it also pasted here, and finally it gave this message. So that's all. I hope this will give you an idea how you can create recipes for Goose and build something much more interesting, much more useful for you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you want me to build anything with Goose or any other AI agent model. See you next time.